Hi, this is JD again, and this is part 2 of my series on the toddler learning stool that I've designed. Right there, I have all of the parts that I've purchased for this project, and I threw in an extra Minwax poly shade there to stain the steps, just for a little bit of added effect. So right there, I'll call out all the pieces. I have the cotter pins, the 2 packs there of 2 each per pack. And then I have the 1 by 10 by 6 foot board. I have the 4-foot wooden dowel, and that's 1 inch thick. I have the 3 pieces of 1 by 2 inch by 8 feet there in the middle. And then I have the last 2 boards there are the 1 by 4 by 6 feet. So now that I have everything here, I'm just going to go ahead and start marking out the measurements, and I'll get started with the cutting.